Hey loves, and welcome to my channel, Microlocs, inspired by Latie, Dîner, and Blanc Microlocs edition. Stay tuned. Well, you guys, it's the first time I've been able to pick up the camera since we have been getting prepared and situated for the Dîner and Blanc. And we are on the charter bus headed to our destination, the secret location as to where the event is going to take place. So that's what we're doing. Super exciting. This is very different experience, but I'm sure we're gonna have a good time, and it's gonna be worth all the packing and the out and everything. So we're about to have some champagne right now.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.
We made it.
We did.
Barely.
It was a struggle.
Barely.
We was running behind as per usual. So yeah, y'all, we were running behind and almost missed our charter bus to the event, but we made it. But anywho, so as you can see, we have made it. We are getting ready and situated to walk to the event with our group. But before we get into that, let's get into these locks. I do have a full video on how I achieve these curls on my Microlocs, so make sure you guys check that out, and then also how I achieve this color using a temporary hair color, and I'll leave those links to those videos below. So let's talk about Dîner and Blanc. So it is an elegant picnic style affair that you do have to bring most of your own supplies to. And as you can see, people had their wagons and things like that, carrying them and pulling them to set up their space. It is very unique. It is very different. It's not anything that I've ever experienced before, but we truly, truly enjoyed ourselves, and it was worth the experience. So during the event, they do the signature white napkin wave, which looks so amazing when everybody is doing it in sync and in uniform. It just looks absolutely amazing. I just loved this part of the event. So as I stated before, this idea was originated in Paris, and they have now brought it to the US, and they go to all the major cities hosting this event. We attended the one in Detroit, and they did an excellent job hosting with the entertainment and things of that nature. Make sure that you check out when they're going to do this in your city, so that way you can get the experience for yourself. With that being said, as you can see in a previous clip, we kept our food choice very minimalistic and just ordered egg rolls and rice and had some fruit and of course our wine. Although the event requires you to bring your own essentials, it was not much of a hassle. Everything that we ordered off of Amazon was compact, very portable. I'll leave the links to those below as well for those of you that are interested. When you purchase your tickets, they will explain everything thoroughly to you. However, and they will email you with all of the requirements. However, it is nice to get inspiration and ideas from others who have already attended the event. So, girl, I have on flats, sandals, whatever, because my strap on my heels broke. I was so frustrated and disappointed, but I didn't let that stop me from having a good time. I'm lucky that I even have these shoes to even match my outfit, but it just wasn't what I wanted to be. But it was what it was, and we still had a good time. We made it do what it do.
The things that you do, it's a smile on your face.
So the night is starting to wind down, and as you can see, our tablescape is nice and well lit, and it's almost time to go. But wait a minute now, not before we have a Soul Train line, okay? Listen, the people got it in, and as you can see, everybody just enjoyed themselves. It was truly a nice time. But let me know what you guys think of this event. Is this something you would be interested in doing? Also, let me know what you think of the Microloc curls, the pipe cleaner curls. Again, remember that link to those videos are below. And thank y'all for watching, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye, loves. Deuces.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things I